Hello students of Standard 7. How are you? Fine. Good. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sitasongi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have started the topic medieval period. In that online session, we have learned about periods in India, archaeological sources, literary sources, then achievement of this period and excavation of medieval period. So about that we have learned in that online session. Okay students, today we will start the subtopic foreign travelers. Okay students, let's start. The traveler accounts are an important source of information of history. Students, many travelers, foreign visitors visited India during the different point of time. Students, especially in a medieval period. Foreign visitors like Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, Bernier, Fayan, Megasthenes, etc. visited India. Okay, students, first of all, we will learn about the Ibn Battuta. Listen, students, about that. Students, Ibn Battuta was a Moroccan explorer. Listen, students, he was a Moroccan traveler. He traveled for nearly the 30 years in his life and covered most of the world countries. Listen, students, Ibn Battuta visited India. Students, this is the most important point. Ibn Battuta visited India in 1330 CE during the reign of Muslim Sultan of Delhi, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. That means, students, in the 1330 CE, during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ibn Battuta visited India. Students, when he visited India, then he wrote about the Delhi Sultanate. That means he wrote about the cultural, social, political, economical condition of the Delhi Sultanate. And again he mentioned in his account about the architecture of Delhi Sultanate. So students, definitely with the help of the foreign traveler account of Ibn Battuta, just we can collect the information about the Delhi Sultanate and the other related information. Okay students, another most important foreign travelers, that means the Marco Polo. Students, listen, see, one picture is given. This is the picture of Marco Polo. Okay students, Marco Polo was an Italian traveler. Students, listen, it is a very important, essential to know about it. Marco Polo was an Italian traveler and merchant. He visited South India during the 13th century. Students, when he came in India in the 13th century, so definitely he visited the many places from the South India, and he mentioned in his account about the cultural, social, political, economical, and the architectural condition of the South India. So definitely students, with the help of Marco Polo accounts, we can collect the information during the 13th century about the South India. Students, so in such a way that Marco Polo's account played an important role to know about the history of the medieval period. Okay students, next one. Students, see, Fayan. Next one, this is the picture. See the given picture. This is the picture of Maya Fayan. Okay students, who was the Fayan? Listen, Fayan was another famous foreign traveler. Listen students, Fayan was the first Chinese traveler. Fayan was the first Chinese visited to India in search of great Buddhist scripture. Listen students, he was a famous Chinese visitor, for he was the famous Chinese traveler, and he visited to India for what purpose? In search of the great Buddhist scripture. Students, he visited India during the time of Chandragupta II. Students, when he came in India, so definitely he visited the Buddhist places, and definitely just he mentioned in his account the Lord Buddhas and about the Buddhism. Again students, he mentioned in his account about the Chandragupta II empire. That means cultural, social, political, economical condition during the Gupta empire. So about that he mentioned in his account. So students, definitely with the help of Fayan account we can easily study about the information and the condition of the period of Gupta empire. Okay students, next one. See, this is the picture of Megasthenes. Observe that students, this is the picture of Megasthenes. He was another famous traveler who visited India. Listen students, Megasthenes was a famous Greek historian. He visited India in the 4th century BC during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya. Student, listen. Megasthenes visited India in the 4th century during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya. Students, he wrote one book, one famous book, and that's name is Indica. Students, Indica book was written by the Megasthenes. So students, when he came in India and visited during the time of Chandragupta Maurya, so definitely students, he mentioned the he mentioned the information about the Chandragupta Maurya Empire. Then again the cultural, social, political, and economical condition of the Maurya Empire, and again the some other information, other places information he mentioned in his book Indica. So students, definitely with the help of Megasthenes account and his book Indica, we can easily collect the information. We can easily study the study about that period. Which period? Chandragupta Maurya period, and that other condition of that medieval period of India. Not medieval period of India. So before that means the ancient period of India. Okay, students. So with the help of foreign traveler accounts like Megasthenes account, Marco Polo account, Fayan account, and the Ibn Battuta account, we can collect the information about the medieval period of India and the other period. Okay, students. So in such a way that these traveler accounts just play an important role as a precious, as a source, as a most important source of information about the history. Okay students, on the basis of today's content, one assignment question just I'm giving, and the question is in front of you. You have to write the answer of this question. Okay students, remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Thank you very much.